the lawsuit filed against the New York Times this week by our president for $15 billion. Can you tell me a little bit about this suit?
Cuckoo for Cuckoo Puffs. It is one of the most insane pleadings I have ever seen filed in any court, other than, the kinds of things that psychologically disturbed pro se litigants file. I mean, I once had a case when I clerked eons ago where somebody tried to sue the New York City subway system as a violation of the Eighth Amendment. That's the level of that's the level of sanity that this pleading reflects. It is absolutely
just... Who's the attorney of record on this?
Some hacks from Florida, I guess, and lawyers who clearly, I mean, I've never heard of them, and they write like
hoping to get a Supreme Court appointment someday. Or at least a federal shot, right? A federal judge suit. Okay, sorry, go ahead. Look, if Emil can wind up on the federal bench, why not these guys, right?
Well,
they got to look at that and say, why not me?
From reading this document, Emil is a fucking genius compared to these people. Okay? Emil Fove isn't stupid. He's craven. He's dishonest. He is untrustworthy. But he's not stupid. He's not as smart as he thinks he is. But these people are just fucking stupid. This was the most stupid document I've ever seen. I mean, one of their big complaints is, I don't know why they are fixated on this other than the fact that their mentally disturbed client is fixated on it. But it's like, they think it's bad and actionable that Donald Trump was characterized as having been discovered by Mark Burnett, of the guy who produced The Apprentice. It's like, it's not, this
he wasn't discovered. He was already famous, George. That is defamatory to suggest that he was not incredibly famous before Mark Burnett. I mean, if anything, you might say that Donald Trump, you might say with tears in your eyes, sir, Mr. Trump, didn't you discover Mark Burnett? Weren't you the one who discovered Mark Burnett?
Mark Burnett we would not know who Mark Burnett was were it not for Donald Trump.